Alright, we're back at the at-home store, and I really am in love with these giant trick-or-treat pumpkins. Not in love with that price though, 70 bucks. These are also pretty cool. I love these. They're just oversized pumpkins stacked, $100. Might be a little bit pricey. For a lot less, we can get those zombie hands to put in the yard. Might look a little strange, as do those eyeball yard decor things. But overall, the at-home store has a lot of these little lawn decor in various configurations. Those skeleton skulls were pretty cool. Can't say that much for the eyes, though. Alright, here's some witch legs. You know, we looked in their website and they had some really expensive ones, so those would be a good alternative. Those skulls are really big and neat. We got some zombie gnomes. This is that severed head that I put in one of my videos. That was a good bargain, I thought, for only $15. Very realistic looking. Severed foot, though, could use a little bit of help. It's not quite as good looking, but it's only $7.99. Marcus the Carcass has been a perennial favorite here, so he's nothing new. But this Maleficent she is 5 feet tall. The arms stretch out, so it's a pretty good prop. It's 30 bucks, not too bad. But certainly if you can bulk her up, she could be pretty impressive in the right circumstance. Got some skeletons here for $60. Seems to be the right price point, but we can try and get it cheaper somewhere else. Got some Zero figures here. Zero from the Nightmare Before Christmas. I think he's new this year. Now this is a floating Reaper. It's, I think, 7 feet long, but it's made of gauze, so I'm not really sure that's going to stand out very well, but it certainly might be an impressively large prop. Got some pumpkin things here on the end cap, some Day of the Dead stuff. We saw a little bit of this earlier. This is kind of fun. A lot of pastel colors this year. Look at that pumpkin with the eyelashes. Don't know what that's all about. There was a stalker floating around, so we're trying to avoid him, so we're just going to rush through this aisle a little bit. Got some lawn stakes with some eyes. Got some doormats. These are pretty cool. I'm going to have to replace mine this year. They always have a fun variety of them. Can't wait to see what else is coming up. Now this is a very large spider. He's kind of fun for 40 bucks. Just some creepy cloth type stuff. A smaller version of that spider for $12.99. Now I bought a big spider from Costco. I think he was around the $50 mark too, but it was much larger, so I'm sure there's better deals out there. They do always have at the at-home store a wide variety of these skeleton animals. So here we've got some owls and dogs. There will be a lot more coming, I'm sure. Some pathway lights. Down here, I've never seen these gauze ghosts. I'm a little concerned that that gauze next to the light might not be the best idea. Some more light up eyes. Some light up pumpkins. Various sizes. Some more. So this is a pretty good sized pumpkin for $22. Gets a little bit cheaper, but $15 might be a bit of a stretch. Some more pastel colored pumpkin stuff. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Some signage. Hocus Pocus. It wouldn't be Halloween if you can't try and make some money off that movie. We've got some lanterns here. They light up. It is a very intricate spider design. I like it. This might be a little bit overkill, though. It looks like it is a diorama of just a house with some pumpkins. And of course, they light up, but the lights don't really seem to add much to it. I wonder if they're just not placed right. I love this coffee cup with a little spider on the inside of the rim. That's awesome. Just some more of their pumpkins that they always like to have in the harlequin pattern, so forth. Some books. You see those everywhere. That's nothing special. Headbands. This, oh my god, a unicorn skull is totally unnecessary. Who's going to put that in there? Oh, that's that book that people to cast a spell on. Someone in the comments in one of my previous videos suggested I should put pictures of my in-laws in there and leave it for them to find. I think I might actually do that. That cat was fun. This is clearly the witch section. The book and the candles and so forth. A lot of black skulls. A lot of this sort of, what is that, like iridescent type coloring. We saw this crystal ball in one of my previous videos, but now we can see it lit up. It doesn't really do as much as I was hoping. Another iridescent skull. Some cauldrons. Some more skeleton animals. There's a skull with a top hat. Pick your poison glasses. Skeletons, skeletons, skeletons. Around the corner. These are the kind of things that I think of as like the home goods type products, with glasses and the platters and the plates, serving utensils. The unfortunate part of this is, especially when you get around the corner, you're going to see most of this stuff is just plastic garbage. I was really hoping they would be able to compete with the cool stuff you see at the home goods. Those pillows are nice. But you know, the home goods stuff is all glass and ceramic. This is plastic. Plastic platter, plastic bowls. You see them right here. I was really disappointed. I was hoping this would be higher quality. Some more skulls. Skulls with flowers. I really like these bat glasses, but of course they're plastic. Some more black glasses, and there's that infamous out of candy sign. This thing is also plastic. I thought it would be like a ceramic and weigh a ton. It weighs about an ounce. It's only $15 though. That's a cool sign. Kind of reminds me of Michael's and their color schemes. Here's a sort of dancing, I don't know what the heck that is. I don't know what's going on with these pumpkins either. Why do they need the holes? It seems unnecessary to me. More skulls with flowers. A little tree. It lights up. Really liked this black candelabra, but it is $40. It's very heavy though. That's kind of a year-round product in my opinion. I like it. Let's see down here. We've got, I like those goblets. We saw this tree in my last walkthrough video. It's alright. Here is the infamous velvet and rhinestone pumpkin. Totally unnecessary. And just some table runners and things. Some ornament type wreaths for the door. One of these years I'm going to buy one of those. Candles in various configurations. I like that candle holder. We've got skulls and taper candles and ones that look like bones. And now we get into more of the fall stuff. We've got some more wreaths, some country style pumpkins, and some just general fall decor. Fall pumpkins. Fall. Happy fall. Blessings. And then around the corner, we've got some more glass pumpkins. So that's pretty much it for the walkthrough so far, but they're putting out stuff every day. So stay tuned and we'll do another walkthrough soon. Take care.